Hello friend, we already came and Lio Beach. This is near airport. It's very beautiful. I just see the view, environment, lighting like magical, and everyone like party mood. All there have many small cafes, so people are going there to chilling. So we also came. It's perfect timing. Like sun is fully golden color, and tree, leaf, everything is like pop up the color. And sand actually here is white sand beach, so everything is like golden color. We came here like perfect time. We have planned to come evening like 4:30, 5 o'clock. We came perfect timing. This is my best evening in Enlido. So friend, you watch surround view is very beautiful. We also enjoying. Thank you for watching video.